This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 370DV is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features a DUSK interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, spare tire kit, skylight, LP detector, awning, external shower, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 370DV is 13,604 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.